am healing emotionally, and renewing from within. I am healing, not from a place of urgency, but from a space of presence. I allow emotions to rise and move through me without judgment. I let the waves come. I let the truth surface. I welcome the rawness that has long awaited permission to be seen. My healing is sacred, slow, and sovereign. I am no longer afraid to feel. Every emotion, joy, grief, anger, hope, is a visitor with a message. I listen. I breathe into the discomfort. I do not push pain away. I sit beside it until it no longer aches with isolation. My heart has held so much, and now it chooses release. I am offering myself radical compassion. I do not rush this process. I do not shame myself for needing time, tears, or tenderness. I speak gently to my wounds. I cradle them with care. I know healing happens in layers, in cycles, and in moments when I least expect it, and I honor each one. I am forgiving myself for the ways I neglected my emotional truth, for staying silent, for holding in what needed to be spoken, for pretending to be okay when I wasn't. I now choose honesty, first with myself, then with others, because I deserve to feel fully, safely, and freely. I am releasing stored emotions that no longer belong to me. Energies I inherited, absorbed, or tolerated, I now return them to the universe with love. I do not carry what is not mine. I reclaim emotional sovereignty and choose peace over performative strength. I am dissolving shame. I am softening guilt. I am unraveling old stories that told me I had to suffer quietly. I know now expressing emotion is not weakness, it's wisdom. And healing is not a flaw, it is my birthright. I am becoming intimate with joy again. I allow lightness to re-enter my body. I smile without caution. I laugh without restraint. I allow the softness of peace to kiss the places that once felt numb. I am not afraid to feel good. I welcome pleasure as part of my emotional balance. I am creating rituals of renewal. I rest with intention. I move with care. I write, breathe, stretch, and commune with nature, not to escape my emotions, but to deepen my connection to them. Every act of care is a declaration of worthiness. I am replacing emotional walls with healthy boundaries. I protect my peace without shutting myself off. I do not build armor from trauma. I build wisdom from reflection. I love from healed places, not guarded ones. And I teach others how to treat me by treating myself with reverence. I am ready to release the weight. I exhale grief. I transmute anger. I kiss pain goodbye, not as an enemy, but as a teacher I've graduated from. I don't pretend it never happened. I simply choose to no longer relive it. I am writing a new emotional narrative, one where resilience doesn't mean suppressing, but expressing. One where vulnerability doesn't mean danger, but connection. One where healing doesn't mean fixing, but remembering wholeness. I am emotionally safe. I trust my nervous system. I trust my intuition. I trust my ability to self-soothe, recalibrate, and return to alignment. My body and soul are in harmony, and together they guide me back to center. I am grateful for the healing I've already done, for the moments I cried in private, journaled in silence, and chose peace when anger wanted to take over. I celebrate myself for showing up to the invisible work. That work is enough. That work is powerful. I am healing. I am whole. I am emotionally renewed. And so it is.